This video will show you how to adjust your screen layout during an ongoing call. To see the video that you are sending to other participants, you can turn on the Picture-in-Picture or PIP window. On the call dashboard, press the Layout button. The PIP screen will automatically appear. Touch the graphic icon that shows where you would like your picture to be placed. The top options are Picture-in-Picture options or PIPs. Picture-in-Picture options will place your picture on top of the images of other call participants. The bottom set are Picture-out-of-Picture options or POPs. Picture-out-of-Picture options will place your picture beside your participants. During a multi-point call, you may want to change the way participants appear on your screen. First, touch the Participants button, then choose your layout by selecting the Layout icon. In this example, let's choose the Two Sites section layout. Press the One Site button if you only want to see the active speaker full screen. Changing the layout on your system does not affect the way the other participants see the conference on their screens. Press the Exit button in the corner to return to the call dashboard. Enjoy your meeting.